Uh, okay, bilkul off the topic. Another video on a very off the topic video. There's a pay system which was recently introduced by some people in Pakistan, which is known as SadaPay or Simple Pay. That's what it means. What it allows you to do, you can just sign up using your cell phone, and after you sign up using cell phone, you will get a virtual card, which is going to be part of your SadaPay app. And after that, you can apply for a physical card. So finally, I received my physical card. So we're going to do unboxing of it, and I tell you exactly what is the reason behind it. Why actually did I buy this, and why did I sign up for this card? Uh, the reason I personally signed up for this card was the aesthetic of the card itself, because there are a lot of cards which are available. Your banking cards are also good, but the but but the setup and the aesthetic of this card is quite nice. It allows you to do online transactions. Like for example, if you want to procure something from AliExpress, you can use this card, and there's no annual fee and all of that stuff, and it will have Mastercard logo on it, and the static is quite nice. So let's look at the static. Okay, so check this out. Look how it's opening. So when you pull this strip, the card will come out. Here's my card. Here's the card, which is quite similar. So the card has NFC. The card is NFC enabled, and the static is that's it. That's your card. It doesn't have your card number. It's on one link. It will just have simply your name. All right. So if you recall it from Apple Pay, the card that is used by Apple Pay, which is also in a similar way, you will have just your name, and you will have this chip. It will not have your credit card number nor CVS number. So you can use this card. So the reason I got this card is because of the aesthetic of this card. In Pakistan, if you want to enjoy a card that looks like an Apple Pay card, you can just simply sign up. And in order for you to sign up, you need to download a pay called SadaPay, and after that, so here's an app for it, and you can just simply activate your card. So let me just quickly type in my credentials, and I'll show you. Okay, so after typing in my credentials, I actually transfer some balance to my card using any banking app. So for example, if you're a user of a bank, you will see in beneficiary, when you include beneficiary SadaPay, and you can transfer money into SadaPay. The cool thing about this is there is no physical branch, and you will get a MasterCard, and you can make online purchases and all of that. The main reason was the aesthetic of the card. So once you have your app going, and now I just received my physical card, all you need to do, just click on the card itself and go to, so this is my virtual card. So my card number, my CVS code, everything is hidden. Just simply click on physical card. Once you receive your card, just proceed to activation. And on the back of the card, it's saying you have a number, so just simply type in that number. So let me quickly type in that number, which is and once you type in the back number, it will ask you to choose your PIN. So let me choose this PIN. Once you have confirmed your PIN, that's it. Your card is ready to go. So not now. So this is your virtual card. And if you don't have your card and you want to make online purchases, you can use virtual card, or you can use a physical card to do normal transaction just like you normally do. So the main reason that I got this card is because the aesthetic of the card itself. It reminds me of Apple Pay, even though living in Pakistan, I cannot afford to have an Apple Pay card, but this looks quite similar. Uh, so I hope you like this small video of the review of the card of SadaPay, which is a banking system or a online transaction system introduced in Pakistan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave it in a comment section.